Ka Sorkar Jylla kala Shimti ban Pynbeit yaki jingdawa jong ka KSU bat penkhamti hauba pol lengdo Menteri Social Welfare banyak keren yaki kam ki bayadei bat ka Neigrihms. Khubor bapeniat yakni ka hospital kilarai ban pensenge Shipor yaka jing thungkam yaki nos hakane ka jaka na ka jingdawa jong ka KSU. Hadian ka jingelang jogi bor bahajrong jong ka hospital uba polengdo ulaya thu hakata ka jingelang ula don lang rengkat bat u director Dr. Nalin Mehta ki officer ka Sorkar Jylla bat kinongelam ka KSU. Larai hakani ka jingelang ban pentip sya menteri ka kwat ka khia jong ka Sorkar India ya ka jingthmu ban thungkam ya ki nos kumbalaya kren haka governing council jong ka Neigrihms. Ka Sorkar Jylla kala kentu kinongelam ka KSU ban sange no ka jingsyong kalan mongor kumbalam menjur hakani ka jingelang.
Thorough, detailed discussions with leaders of the Khasi Sports Union, and I have been authorized to lead today's discussions in the matter of the stalemate between the Neigrihms as an institute and Khasi Students Union, which has raised certain points of concern. Now, based on this today's meeting, the KSU has flagged 5 issues which some of you are aware of concerning age limit, male and female nursing officer ratio, holding of CBT, computer-based test, inadequate reservation for STs, and point number 6, which is additional, is for the demand that the Neigrihms conducts its own recruitment. After very thorough, detailed and extensive discussions, I'm happy to inform you that one, we have decided that a delegation led by me as member of the cabinet government of Meghalaya, in the absence of the minister in charge of health, who is currently out of town, we will seek an appointment immediately with the Union Minister of Health in order to take up issues which are beyond the administrative control of Neigrihms, policy matters and policy issues, which hopefully we should be able to do so in a matter of a few days from today. Second is, some of you may be aware that there is also a governing council of the Neigrihms chaired by the Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, GOM, and we have also decided that parallelly these issues will also be taken up at the level of the governing council, and resolutions adopted by the council are then forwarded to the union ministry. Is where matters of detail, for instance, matters relating to the plotting of the roster in the recruitment process, members of the KSU and officials of the Neigrihms will sit down tomorrow to iron out and come up with a single draft where we should be able to arrive at points of convergence. Now, in view of these developments, the Neigrihms has also decided that until all matters are sorted out, matters that might impact the recruitment process, the Neigrihms will halt the entire recruitment process, and we should be able to sort matters out in a matter of a week or so. In view of these developments, leaders of the KSU have been requested to call off their sit-in demonstration. They have been very positive in their response, and they will formally need to get that decision endorsed by their general council, which they will be holding either later today or tomorrow. So hopefully it will happen today. So these are the developments. I will keep you updated as and when there are further developments on the matter. I do not see any problems. It's just that a matter of perspective. There are issues relating, for instance, to our need to have. We do not have what is known as INI in the case of Neigrihms, which the governing council and can initiate the process. Yeah.
As far as the demand to increase